Are you in search of the perfect fence to elevate your property? Look no further than EverFence, the industry leader in fencing solutions. At EverFence, we stand behind our products and craftsmanship with the industry-leading warranty. We take pride in delivering exceptional quality that exceeds your expectations. With the widest range of fence types in the US, EverFence is your one-stop destination for all your fencing needs. Whether you're looking for privacy, security, or enhancing your property's curb appeal, we have the perfect solution for you. We believe that your home deserves nothing but the best. That's why we offer a comprehensive selection of fencing material, including custom, vinyl, wood, iron, and chain link fences. We have the ideal choice for every need and style. Our custom vinyl fences are perfect for those seeking a low maintenance solution that doesn't compromise on style. With a range of designs and colors, we can create a fence that perfectly matches your vision. If you prefer the timeless elegance of wood, our expert craftsmen can create custom wood fences that blend seamlessly with your surroundings, adding a touch of natural warmth to your property. We pride ourselves on our service levels, and our reviews and referrals are a treatment to our team's dedication to going the extra mile time and time again. With more than 20 years of experience in the fencing industry, both here in the US and abroad, there is no project that's too big, too complex, or too small for the team at EverFence. Ready to transform your property? Request an instant quote at everfence.com or contact us today for a free consultation with our knowledgeable experts. We'll guide you through the selection process, ensuring you make the right choice for your home. Choose EverFence for unmatched quality, variety, and industry-leading guarantee. Visit our website at everfence.com to discover the fence of your dreams. Fence made easy.